The RX WELD Nitrogen Regulator, RX-W-800, features a CGA 580 inlet connection and a 1/4 inch SAE male flare outlet connection, making it versatile for various applications. With an input pressure of 0 to 4,000 pounds per square inch and an adjustable output pressure up to 600 pounds per square inch, this regulator offers flexibility and precision. The included refrigeration hose, 60 inches long with a maximum pressure of 800 pounds per square inch, is ideal for HVAC purging, inertization, pressure tests, leakage tests, brazing, and soldering. Constructed with a sturdy brass piston-designed diaphragm and a self-reseating relief valve, this regulator ensures durability and reliability in demanding environments. The large brass T-handle with a stainless steel pressure-adjusting screw and regulator bushing prevents galling, providing smooth and precise adjustments. Easy-to-read 2-inch gauges with protective rubber gauge boots enhance user safety and convenience during operation.